master the basics of system functionality. Ensuring your equipment is paired and ready for use. Step 1. Pairing two headsets. Before starting, make sure both headsets are turned off. You'll need a primary and a secondary device. The primary has a black power button and the secondary has a white one. Press and hold the power button on each headset until the LED turns from green to orange. It doesn't matter which one you press first. On the primary headset, the orange light will stay on, briefly turning green before returning to orange. On the secondary headset, you'll see an orange light followed by a continuous green flash, along with a beeping tone to indicate pairing mode. During pairing, the primary headset may briefly flash green and return to orange. This shows it's communicating and registering as a dBD communications product. The process can take up to 4 minutes. Once pairing is complete, both headsets will flash green at approximately 1-second intervals, and you'll hear a short confirmation tone from the secondary headset. Step 2. Pairing a headset with a WTX interface. Before pairing, make sure the headset is turned off and that the WTX has power applied. WTX units are typically powered from the Apollo system. Switch it on using the control on the outside of the bag. When power is applied, the LED on top of the WTX will illuminate green. To begin pairing, press and hold the power button on the headset until the LED turns orange. Next, using a small tool, gently press the rubber bung on the right-hand side of the WTX until the LED also turns orange. Release the pressure and allow the devices to pair. When pairing is successful, both the headset and the WTX will flash at approximately 1-second intervals. Step 3. Pairing a headset with an air interface. Before pairing, ensure both the headset and the air interface are turned off. Press and hold the power button on each device to enter pairing mode. The LEDs will turn orange. The air interface will act as the secondary device, and its LED will flash in the pairing sequence. Because it's not connected to an aircraft, no audio feedback will be heard. This process, like pairing the headset to headset or headset to WTX, can take up to 4 minutes. When pairing is complete, both devices will flash at approximately 1-second intervals, confirming a successful connection. Step 4. First level fault finding. If you experience any issues during pairing, take a moment to pause the video and review these quick fault-finding checks before restarting the process.